Hi everyone, Andrea here from Nexttools Dev Team, and I'm going to show you how to create a simple discount function using the AI into SupaEasy. So click on Create Function and select Product Discount Function. Provide your function a title like 20% discount on products with tag blue, and then write your prompt like create a discount of 20% on products with tag equal to blue, and show this message to the customer like you got a discount. Click on build function and wait for the AI to generate your function, and meanwhile provide also the blue tag as an input to the function in the right section of the editor. After that, this is the generated function. Hit on save and verify that everything is working correctly. So the blue shirt has the blue tag. So add it to the cart. As you can see, this is the discount applied. And if we add something else to our cart, for example, the green shirt, then no discount is applied since it doesn't contain any blue tag. That's it.